Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a 1935 Delta slow speed drill press. It's my latest project. I'm trying to turn this into a dedicated tapping machine. But as I'm taking it apart, I'm having a few problems that I think someone out there could help me with. Let me show you what my problem is. On this spindle, the spindle shaft, I can't get this drill chuck off. Normally, there's ways to wedge it off. If there's anybody out there with any experience with a 1935 slow speed Delta drill press, leave a comment. Let me know if you can help. If you want a better view of this, go to my website, glennow.com, and go to my shop page, and you'll see a few photos, blow-ups of this. If you're interested in stuff like this, rebuilding old machinery, mini machines, hobby machining, go to my channel, Machinist Brain, Glenn Now on YouTube. I've got over 200 videos of all kinds of hobby machining. Check it out.